Every big dream begins with bold intention. In 2013, we founded Windmason with one mission: to deliver sustainable HVAC cooling solutions that are both effective and affordable. Resources were limited, but our vision, technical expertise, and commitment to innovation fueled the journey. Today, Windmason proudly stands as a trusted local manufacturer, providing over 20 specialized HVAC products, and was honored with the Saudi-based Manufacturer of the Year award by CPI Industry in 2024. In 2025, Windmason supported Hajj pilgrims in Mecca, deploying high-performance portable air conditioning units, a movable Zamzam water tank, and a powerful fog cannon to provide real-time heat relief for over 1.8 million pilgrims. Our flagship product range, IDEC, Indirect Direct Evaporative Coolers, IDEC, Supercool 2-Stage, IDEC, Supercool 3-Stage, IDEC, Supercool 4-Stage, Eccolators, Air Handling Units, AHUs, Fresh Air Handling Units, FAHUs, Desert Master, Smart Cool System for Homes, Portable Evaporative Air Coolers, Rooftop Packaged Units, DX Hanger Cooling Units, Air Cooled Chiller, Cooling Towers Units, Fan Coil Units, Complete range of industrial fans. And last but not least, proudly presenting Echo Edge AI, a smart AI device that integrates with BMS system to optimize energy usage and cut electricity bills by up to 35%. We don't just build machines. We build systems, relationships, and results. Our identity is built on local manufacturing excellence, up to 85% energy savings over traditional HVAC systems, a deep commitment to sustainability. Our client portfolio continues to grow, with names like Riyadh Hospital, iWeb Grocers, Sear Motors, the first Saudi-made electric vehicle brand, Golden Lines, Spago International, a big name in the world of catering, Complete Food, Kudu, Saudi Arabia's leading fast food chain, Al Romancia, Athaim Mall, Hyperpanda, Sahara Mall, Jarir Bookstore, iMile, and Fairmont Hotel. We provided adiabatic cooling for chillers. We have successfully completed over 500 projects. We proudly contribute to Saudi Vision 2030 through eco-conscious technologies that serve the environment and strengthen local industry. Windmason, cooling the future with passion, purpose. From one idea to a full ecosystem of innovation, this is our journey. This is Windmason. Windmason, breathe the finest, breathe economical.